Market opened with a huge candle to the downside. I was looking over here, we had a gap. You can see it marked out here. This is the current day open. It's orange dash line. So I was looking for the gap fill down here at yesterday's close. As soon as we got the gap fill, I went long and we just retraced that entire move. The first few minutes of the market open can definitely be crazy sometimes. We had more sellers on the down move than we did buyers on the same distance up move. So now we're getting a pullback lower. Pulled right up to the 20 SMA and value area low here on the daily profile. I just got a long here. Little bounce off of yesterday's close. It was looking like a fake out breakout to the downside. All this whippy action. We poked this recent low, just shot right back up, hopped in on a long there. We're right in the middle. These two giant opening candles in opposite directions. We got like 3 single bar divergent candles in a row. Don't want to mess around in this area. Buy low, sell high. I just hopped into a long. Took the trade on the regular NQ. I should have stayed in. I would have got my full 10 points right there. And then some. I got in around 45. We just popped up about 25 points. Getting a little hold up at the 3-day VWAP here. I was looking to target the session VWAP here, but we were breaking above these highs of the open with a lot of delta coming in to the upside. Very large candle. Thought we would at least test VWAP, which we did. Also had a 4 signal candle back here, taking a break higher. Definitely got over 10 points there. Up around $140 per account. The 3-day VWAP held nicely. Just got a major rejection off of that. This is part of the composite market profile that NINZA has. That's what's on the left hand side. I've got it set to 3 days, so this is a 3-day volume profile. And this green dashed line is the 3-day VWAP. There's links to all the NINZA indicators in the description. I use their volume profiles, I use their innovative ordering chart buttons, and I use some of their free tools like the quick drawing tool and the bar status big timer. If you use code MonkeyMan over at NINZA, even if they're having a crazy sale, you get an even deeper discount if you use code MonkeyMan. Just saying. Got some news at 10 o'clock today. I just took a bounce long. We had this big candle, but we had a pretty big wick. Point of control was getting drawn down into the wick a little bit. And this yesterday's close level has just been a really important level all morning. With all the whippy price action, thought we'd get a little pullback here. Got the pullback. I got out for 7 points, I think, 6 or 7 points. Just traded a micro. If I'm taking momentum trades with a lot of delta force behind it, I'm more likely to trade the regular contract. If I'm taking bounce trades or counter trend trades, I'm more likely to trade the micros. I almost got into a long here. Just looking at this candle, big wick, point of control, drawn down out of the wick. We pulled back almost right to this point of control. Thought about going long. Definitely would have got my 10 points and then some. Then I was checking out the signal counter over here. We had a double signal fire off. Taking a break lower, that would have worked out. Triple signal, we never broke lower, so no trade triggered. Triple signal to the upside, we just broke above that now. Just popped up 20 points. Got a 4 signal, breaking above. Already up 9 points on that one. Double signal on this candle, never broke lower, no trade triggered. There's the full 10 points on the breakout above this 4 signal candle. Infinite possibilities with the signal counter because you could literally put as many indicators as you want on the chart, measuring all different kinds of things. So whatever you like to measure, whatever kind of signals you're interested in, you can just load this thing up, plop on the signal counter, see how many are in alignment on any given bar. Just looking at the Heiken Ashi background, this is the Heiken Ashi core, painting the background. And you can also use the Heiken Ashi core to paint signals. So you could have signals from the Heiken Ashi core that you could use on a chart and integrate with the signal counter. But as far as just taking the trend changes on the Heiken Ashi, we had a green background here, never broke higher, no trade. Red background, we broke lower a couple candles later, moved down 10 points. Then we had the green background, taking a break above, very nice move up over 40 points. Red background, taking a break lower, moved down another 40 plus points. Green background, taking a break higher, and we popped up 60 points now. All different kinds of ways to trade. So many things will work. Just got a very nice bounce off of VWAP, 30-point bounce right off of VWAP there. It was also the 20 SMA, so nice little double level there. Looks like this hourly candle is about to close with pretty dang big wick. Point of control drawn down into this wick. Could be looking at a little push higher here. On the longer term chart, I just hopped into a little short. We have point of control drawn up to the top of this wick. And then we have point of control drawn up to the top of this wick. Candle hasn't even formed yet. There, it just formed, but for 30 seconds or so, we had this hovering up here. We had some negative delta coming in. Got into a little short. I hit the market close button when I was up 6 or 7 points, but I think I only got 4 after I hit close. Just got into another little short. We have point of control drawn up into this wick. Neutral delta to the downside. Also had point of control up in this wick and this wick. Took a little trade thinking we pulled back to at least the 20. We just pulled back to the 20 in London open area. Getting the bounce now. We just bounced down over 10 points off of the pre-market high here. Just took another little 6-point short trade. Saw a pre-market high getting respected again. Point of control drawn up into this wick. Delta's kind of dropping off a little bit. Took a short, got 6 points. Came down over 10. So like I was mentioning earlier, we had this 1 hour candle just forming. We had point of control drawn down into this very large wick. So if we broke higher, there was a good potential for another little push upwards, which we've gotten. I just tried a short at the 50 area after I saw it stalling out, but I got out super quick. I got 2 or 3 points maybe. I do like the 50 area and whole number, but it wasn't a trade that I felt super confident in, so as soon as I didn't feel confident, I got out. Got yesterday's New York Open up here. Got a cluster of key levels up here at 430. I just got into a short, got my full 10 points. Saw we had some point of controls together up here at the 70 area, and just based on the time of day and price action, thought we'd get a little pullback at least to the 50 level. We just pulled back 50 points. We got a triple signal that just fired off on the 1 minute, taking a break lower, pulled down over 20 points, getting a little hold up at the 20 SMA here. I'm up a little over $800 total across the 4 accounts after commissions. 5 minutes till 10:30. We'll see if I find any other good reasons to take a trade. Well, we've gotten a very healthy move lower, all the way back down to VWAP. Getting the bounce off of VWAP, bouncing up over 20 points here. It's 10:30. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. I just wanted to say thank you for all the good feedback that I've been getting lately. A lot of people seem to be enjoying the indicators and getting some good use out of them. I just want to throw it out there that if anyone feels inspired, if they're really happy with the indicators, if you feel like leaving a review on WAP, I could definitely use some more reviews. No pressure, but if you're feeling inspired, that would be awesome. And if you would like to learn more about the MMT line of indicators, there are links in the description. There's also links to all the prop firms that I trade with. If you use code MonkeyMan, you're awesome, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.